Hey guys, it's Sierra here with JB's Power Center. Today I have two 2018 Chevy Camaros that we did Borla Axle-back exhaust systems on today. The only difference other than the visuals, the car on my left is the 6.2 SS and the car on my right is the 2.3 liter turbo. Let's have a listen and see how these cars sound. There's nothing better than the sound of an awesome exhaust. If you're curious as to what Borla kits we have in stock or can get for your vehicle, give us a call at one of our JB's Power Center stores or feel free to check us out online at jbspowercentre.com. Thanks for watching and we hope you really enjoyed our video. If you want to view more of our JB's content, click over here, and if you haven't already, be sure to click over here to subscribe to our JB's channel to be notified of our future content.